Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Here go to go channel for the job opportunities and career tips. So today we have an amazing opportunity for data analyst and data visualization professionals, especially in one of the biggest financial firm, which is JPMorgan Chase. Because JPMorgan Chase is hiring for the role of data visualization engineer or associate, I would say, in Bengaluru. And if you are someone who is having experience in Tableau, Power BI, SQL, Alteryx, or any other data analytics tools, then this role is perfect for you. So watch this video till the end because I will be counting on the eligibility criteria, skills required, and how you can apply for this opportunity. So let's understand about the role a little bit more. So this role is mainly focused on data visualizations, dashboard development, and data analysis. So you'll be working with the tools like Tableau, Alteryx, ThoughtSpot, which is the new tool they have mentioned, and SQL as well. So your main work will be to convert raw data into the useful information. I mean, in the terms of insights or the dashboards and the reports for business stakeholders and senior management as well, because the reports displays a very useful information about how the business or the how your business is performing. It has a very good information about that. And yes, this is about the kind of responsibilities, the basic introduction of role, I would say. Now let me jump to the skills required for this job. So what they have mentioned as skills required is something like, we already discussed some of those, like SQL, Alteryx, Tableau, data visualization skills like using Python. Maybe you might have heard of Seaborn, Matplotlib, and a lot of other libraries in Python. And data analysis skills, of course you should have that analytical skills, and those technical skills also required to do the data analysis, that I already mentioned into Python, and a lot of other tools as well. We have, for example, Power BI, Tableau, Alteryx, and a lot of other tools are there. And data wrangling experience or the knowledge must be there. Along with that, they are also expecting you to have the at least some experience into developing the dashboards or reporting and automations. Along with that, they prefer you to have the knowledge in Python. So if you have knowledge in Python, you'll be preferred. If you don't have and have these tools knowledge, still you are eligible for this role. But yeah, they have mentioned Python as the preferred skills. So if you are someone who have already walked into Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, which are the data analytics library for Python, so you have got your chance here, because this is something which will keep you away from others, and you will have more chances to be into the game. And let me discuss the eligibility criteria that they have mentioned. So for this role, they are looking for candidates with degree in computer science, mathematics, engineering, or finance. Along with that, they are also expecting to have some 1 to 3 years of experience into Tableau data visualizations, and experience working with a large data set, especially using SQL for extracting the data and all that. So these are some of the skills they have mentioned. They're also expecting, they will also give you preferences if you are someone from the finance background, because this is one of the biggest finance company, as you guys know. So this is the reason. And job location, as I mentioned, is based out of Bengaluru, and it's a full-time position. And for applications, if you are actually interested and already gone through all the the responsibilities and the skills sections, and you think that you are the right fit, then I have mentioned a direct link for this job in description. Go check it out and apply as soon as possible. And if you are preparing for data analyst, business analyst, or data visualization roles, then this is very good opportunity for you. Also, I regularly post job updates, SQL, Python, data analytics, and all that related jobs. Plus, yeah. So don't uh, forget to like this video or subscribe to our channel if you haven't already subscribed it, because we are bringing very useful freshers and experienced hirings on this YouTube channel. And yes, that's it. You can share with your friends as well, if they are interested into this job. And yeah, that's it for this wonderful opportunity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.